Alright, so today I want to talk about finding the slope. So I'm going to draw my coordinate plane here, label my x, label my y, and I'm just going to throw a line up here. Um, and so basically the idea of the slope is to figure out what is the grade. So this would be a slope of 0 and a slope of y. So the way I like to think about slope is delta y over delta x. Delta meaning change in y over change in x. So the formula for it is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So if you notice in this equation, or in this little thing here, we're just subtracting the second y from the first y, or second x from the first x, and second y from the first y. So we're finding the change in the y's over the change in the x's. Others will also say rise over the run. And we're trying to figure out how much, basically, for every unit of x we go up, how much does y change by? So I'm going to give myself 2 points here. So if you're just given 2 points, I'm going to call this point 3, 2. I'm going to call this point negative 1, negative 1. Oh, negative 1, positive 1. My bad, because we are in quadrant 2. So if you're just given a line, you have to pick your own points to use, or if you're just given the points of 3, 2, and negative 1, 1, then you would have to find the slope of that. So what I'm going to do is label each of those points. This is going to be my point number 1. This is going to be my point number 2. And so point number 2 comes first. So the y is 1. The minus y2 is a 2. And then on the bottom, number 3, or x2 is negative 1 minus a positive 3 for x1. So I just lay these out like this, following the same principles of this formula here. And that's going to get me negative 1 over negative 4. So my slope is a positive 1/4 because these negatives end up canceling out. So that's kind of how to calculate slope. Use this formula. Think about the general idea, or the overarching idea, that change in y over change in x, and then this is how to do it if you either have to pick your points or you have points given to you. Just the same idea. Thanks for watching.